wait to turn it up. I'm gonna turn it up as soon as I pass this house right here. Get a little deep off into the cornfields here. Uh-oh. Bug y'all with the boring stuff of pulling down the roof. Pretty much know how it goes. Just peel the sides, pull everything down, call it a day. So we're about to go head on and start deadening. Up in here, I plan on keeping some of these holes free, and I'm gonna shoot some foam in there. I'm gonna tape off the front so that the foam doesn't come out. Alright, I got my towels, I got my glove, my roller, my deadener is outside the car on the trunk. Then I got my Windex. This is to get the grease or any impurities off of the metal. And I like it because it dries fast. These regulations and stuff. Ooh, it's flammable. I like that. And of course, y'all, we gotta do it proper. We got the support brace. I didn't pull it down to nothing. It's a little gap. So I'm able to slide the sheet in and see, like the back side, I leave it on there until I slide it in there. Then I start peeling it back. Then, of course, rolling everything out until there's no more rectangles. And it's already a wow, nice difference. And that's only 80 mil. And so far, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. In fact, let me see. We gotta sweep somewhere. I knew it.
All right, find you a 32 and let's give it a full tilt so you know before you go up there. You going up there?
No, I ain't going up there. I'm just farting around. We're gonna see what it does with music. Nah, they not even up. Y'all, let's go down and count some sheets. Of course, these are all of the back ends. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, excuse me, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I used exactly 20 sheets. I actually, just pulled 3 or 4 at a time, or grabbed a nice little handful, took them inside, rolled, went and grabbed 2 or 3 more. Here's the deal. Do the giveaway based on how many sheets I applied to my roof. Now, my whole idea was, if nobody guessed the number, I was going to pick the person that came closest to the number of sheets that I had applied. But we have a little discrepancy, y'all. We have one person here by the name of Saucer's Planet. This gentleman right here. He says 16 sheets, man. Looking good. And the lithium sounds killer. And when we scroll down with all the other people here, Mr. Austin Kirk. You said 24 sheets, bro. I need them thumps, baby. Peace and bass. Alright, so we know 20 is the number I use. You have 24. That's 4 sheets away from 20. Of course, 4 sheets less than 20. So, the way I see it, it's a tie because he came just as good as you or you came just as good as him. I will assign both of y'all numbers. Then I will put y'all numbers in the random generator and pick who wins. That'd be the easiest way to do that.